Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On this episode, I want to show you how I make my super easy kitchri. Let me take you to the ingredients and we're gonna get started. We're gonna need some onion finely sliced, some cardamom, whole cardamom, and 1 stick of cinnamon, vegetable ghee. I'm using red lentils for my kitchri, some really good basmati rice, salt, and I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use any cooking oil. This is gonna be super easy recipe of my kitchri. Now use a really good basmati rice, and then the best dal to use is red lentils because it is really small, and then when your kitchri cook you don't see the big chunk or the skin peeling if you're using any other dal. So to my rice goes my red lentils, and then I am going to go wash this and soak this. If you don't have time to soak, you may just leave it and just start cooking your kitchri. So it depends. If you have time, you can just soak it for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, or even 1 hour. So let me go ahead and wash this. I did add my salt and the cardamom, whole cardamom, and cinnamon stick. And I already washed my rice and my dal, and this is going to go in my pot. And the key of making the kitchri is also to stir the rice as well. Or even if you're cooking just rice itself, it's better to stir it, especially from the beginning. So just stir it and then let it cook. And that has to cook like 100%. In the meantime, I have my pan that is heating over here. I'm gonna add my oil. So that was about 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of vegetable ghee. You can skip the ghee if you don't want to add ghee. Then just add oil itself, just oil alone. And let this ghee melt. And then I'm going to add my onion to fry. I'm going to add my onion. Then let this fry until golden brown. Alright, so my onion has been ready, nice and golden brown. It's not burnt, this is red onion. So you may see the color dark, but this is not too dark actually. And the oil that I'm frying is very little, so the onion also take a little bit longer to fry, like about 10 minutes. The same time I was frying the onion, the same time I add the rice to boil. So they are both like almost ready. So the rice is almost ready. So the onion, I'm going to shut the heat off and put that on a side. And then let's check the rice now. Okay. I did stir the rice time to time, and it's been about, I would say, 15 minutes since my rice is cooking. Alright. And now my rice is ready to drain. So let me go ahead and drain this, and then we'll move forward. Alright, so now you're going to stir the rice again while this is already drained. And you can see the rice is not stick to each other. After I add my fried onion, I'm just gonna keep some. I'm just gonna save some for later. So just a little for later. And now you add the onion. So the oil is together with the onion. When you're gonna stir the kitchri, and then the oil gonna stop it from sticky as well. So give this a good stir. And then we are ready to serve. Ready, and I just add some this is optional. You can add the whole onion in the rice and stir it, but I just want to be a little bit fancy. So what I want to show you is come close, and you will see the kitchri is not stick to each other, and the dal, the red lentils that I have used is very small, and it doesn't bother the rice. It doesn't, if I'm using black lentils or like white lentils, it's gonna be like too big in my opinion. So I always use red lentils, which is very, very good and very tasty, and it's not sticky as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video with me today, and you're gonna go to your kitchen and you're gonna give this a try. And we all know that kitchri is really good to serve with any rogai sauce, shrimp, fish, meat, beef, lamb, goat, anything you like. And if you want this recipe in written, just click the link down below, and I will see you next time with another great recipe. Bye for now.